Hello YouTube, Teachers is Alive here. Today I have a really cool knife to unbox for you. As you can see, this knife is coming from Civivi. The model name is Civivi Hyperpulse. Yeah, without further ado, let's open this box and see what's inside here. Typical Civivi pouch with some stickers. We have a Civivi Praxis sticker, that's cool, and some paperwork and a microfiber cloth. Pull this aside, and here is the knife. Looks pretty cool. As you can see, it has 3 large speed holes and some smaller holes as well. It's a flipper and also has some studs. And it's a button lock. I believe the handle is aluminum and deep carry pocket clip, which is reversible. Let's give it a flick. Pretty good action, pretty snappy. And the blade is satin finish, hollow grind. And I believe the steel is 14C28N. And yeah, the button lock closing is pretty smooth as well. Action is great, no lock stick. Very fidgety. And the blade shape is like a drop point and with some swage on the spine. And ergos are pretty good. All 4-finger grab. And you can also use some stud to open this knife. And reverse flick it. Yeah, works as well. Flipper works really well. Some stud works as well. Pretty cool knife. Check out the centering. It's dead centered. Okay, let's do some size comparison between this Hyperpulse and the Para 3 Lightweight. It's longer than the Para 3 Lightweight and a little bit shorter than the PM2. Okay. There you go. Let's actually weigh this knife, see how much it weighs. This knife weighs 2.984 ounce. Not bad. For aluminum handle, I think it's really good, under 3 ounce EDC friendly weight. I think it's because the heavy milling on the speed hole on both sides definitely reduces the weight. Action is addicting. Ergos are great. And I really like this gray color on this aluminum. Makes it almost like a space gray. Very good looking. Ergos are great. Let's cut something with this Hyperpulse. See how well it cuts. Here is a piece of paper. Cuts really clean. Very sharp. Right out of the box. You can see. Well, pretty good for the price. This knife costs around $70 on Amazon. I think it's well priced for aluminum handle with this speed hole design and 14C28N satin finished blade. I think it's totally worth it. I would definitely recommend you checking this one out. Okay, that's it. This is my first impression and unboxing of this Civivi Hyperpulse. Let me know what you think about this knife in the comment section. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and see you in my next video.